Did you know that the secret to clear, glowing skin might not be in your skincare routine, but in your gut? That's right. Your gut health could be the missing link to achieving that radiant complexion you've always dreamed of. But how exactly does your gut affect your skin? And can probiotics really make a difference? Let's dive deep into the fascinating connection between gut health and your skin. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's start with the basics. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. This community of microorganisms is called your gut microbiome. When it's balanced, it helps with digestion, boosts your immune system, and even produces essential vitamins. But when it's out of balance, well, that's when problems start to arise, and your skin is often the first to show it. Have you ever noticed that your skin breaks out when you're stressed or after eating certain foods? That's no coincidence. An unhealthy gut can lead to inflammation, which can trigger skin conditions like acne, eczema, rosacea, and even premature aging. This is often referred to as the gut-skin axis, a direct line of communication between your gut and your skin. So, how does this gut-skin axis work? When your gut is inflamed or imbalanced, it can lead to something called leaky gut syndrome. This is when the lining of your intestines becomes more permeable, allowing toxins and bacteria to escape into your bloodstream. Your body sees these as invaders, triggering an immune response that often shows up as inflammation on your skin. Yikes! Now here's where probiotics come in. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. They help restore balance to your gut microbiome, reduce inflammation, and strengthen your gut lining. And guess what? A healthier gut means healthier skin. So what are the best probiotic foods to add to your diet? Here are some of our top picks. Yogurt and kefir packed with live cultures that support gut health. Fermented vegetables, think sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles. Kombucha, a fizzy fermented tea that's bursting with probiotics. Miso and tempeh, great plant-based options for gut health. And if you're not a fan of these foods, don't worry. Probiotic supplements can also do the trick. But probiotics alone aren't enough. To truly support your gut and skin, you need to adopt a holistic approach. Stay hydrated, exercise regularly, manage stress, and get enough sleep. These habits work together to keep your gut microbiome happy and your skin glowing. Before we wrap up, let's bust some common myths about probiotics and gut health. Myth: all probiotics are the same. Fact: different strains of probiotics have different benefits. Look for ones specifically for skin health like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Myth: you can't overdo it with probiotics. Fact: too much of a good thing can cause bloating or discomfort. Start slow and listen to your body. Myth: probiotics work overnight. Fact: it can take weeks or even months to see noticeable changes in your skin. Patience is key. The bottom line? Your gut health plays a huge role in the appearance of your skin. By nourishing your gut with probiotics and healthy habits, you're not just improving your digestion, you're investing in a clearer, more radiant complexion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on health, wellness, and glowing skin. And let us know in the comments, have you noticed a connection between your gut health and your skin? We'd love to hear your story.